number one. Trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post joke, man, a pushing at the traffic. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there, right? Hope today was a good day and hope tomorrow is even a better one. Right, so no big up on yourself. So today I just have some things on my find on IG what I think is interesting I would share with y'all, right? So I know my big artist DJ Whitey, she drop a new video, so I'm gonna show you that in a minute, right? I know DJ Whitey do her thing already, you know what I mean? Bad. You see me I say? One of my favorite artists, yeah. But before we get to that, let me show you a picture where Yannick post. So Yannick post this and she had a simple caption and she said, "All I want for Christmas." So I don't have to really explain nothing. She definitely said she want a baby for Christmas, it seems like, right? So big up Yannick. We haven't seen a lot from her, but you know what I mean, I'm glad to see this. And then she make 2 more posts after that where she you know, exercise and thing. But people, let's take a look at DJ Whitey new video, right? Let's see if DJ Whitey still a spit fire like she used to. All right, here goes.
Madness, a school over, them gone in a gang, them a walk and a fight like them name Jackie Chan. The man them a take over, woman happy, a wear tight pants like them a lady. Style them here like little baby, give a any weather on the shut up a TV. Some things a go on, you see? Oh Lord, I know you look good again as you have this walk. You see, when the friend them go a friend yard, I know I go on my friend again a walk one dog. Next problem at the bleaching team. Everybody start to like a bleaching string. But my show go good and with delicate skin. No man, them things they are seen. Where the me and walk and pass a boy in a bar. Can't say none of any man bleaching a car. And an him foot whiteness gone for an him neck and him lip them black like tar. Somewhere out a road them a push bad things. Hit them eye blind then a see a madness. A school over, them gone in a gang. Them a walk and a fight like watch out. Me I tell about the girls, them yes, this the one. The girls them have a style, they speak and twang. When them see the boy, them neck a off them and a bow, them a walk and a...
Yeah man, big up my artist, big up yourself. You see me DJ Whitey, just keep the videos them coming. We'll look out for them. You see me I say, as long as you make them, I go post them. Because I want to know what thing going on, people. Like me tell you now, when I think I joke me I make, I one of my favorite artists. You see me? I like our flow, I like our music. You see me, big up yourself, DJ Whitey. Right, so people, may have some video with Shenseea. You know, I just fun Shenseea look like she does the round the house, just bored in the house, bored in the house, bored. And you know, she me never know say she have this hidden talent, so it's kind of surprising to see it. Because Shenseea do some acrobatics thing, like some things where you know, I never know say such flexible for say the least. But before me showing her that she's on Major Lazer album, so if you don't know Major Lazer is, Major Lazer responsible for whole heap of the bigger song them where we hear with dancehall artists do where, you know what I mean, they make it overseas. Song like Busy Signal. Watch out for this. We talk about even like I think Who Run the World Girls are them responsible for that by Beyonce, and also that rhythm there about Who Run the World is actually Vybz Kartel departed first, but Panny Floor. So you know, wanna see what me I try to say with this, right? But anyway, she's on Major Lazer album and she's glad about it. She's so excited. She tell with the news while she had do something. So we just play that phone real quick, and then right after you can see she had do the stretching thing. You see what me I say? So here goes.
Guess who's on Major Lazer's album? I know I'm on the toilet, but I'm the shit.
Stop looking this if you can meticulously scrutinize right now at Ramesh Entertainment, and here we're here with Sheng Lang, Lang Chung Lang Chang Lang. Yo, stop doing it, stop doing them fuck with them, man. Anybody want acrobatics dumb? Yo.
And go right over. There you go. You did it.
Yeah, so it look like Shenseea have some hidden talent what we never know about, but see it there. It look like she have some time on her hand, you know what I mean, and she don't know what exactly to do. So it look like her new thing, this what she a deal with. Because I want to see she do it at the studio, and it seems like she a do it a lot because yeah, Escobar tell her, say, stop do that. So she definitely did it before him start recording, and you can see her at home doing it by herself. But people may not know what them say about Shenseea upon the river. You see me I say. So she make another little video about that, and I talk about, yeah, I don't know what them say about our panty for the big panty or what them say about it, but she make a video address it. So let's take a listen to that one real quick.
If I'm telling you something, you're not a real Jamaican if you not have a Pond River draws as a female, of course.
Tingo people, these days people make fun of everything on the internet. So, you know what I mean? You should see I go flick over and them see the broke my vibes draws them, you know, I say something about it. But I think she take it now way still. Cause like she say, every female have at least one of them there. You see me? So big up Shenseea. Alright?
Yeah, me a son, man. Prince Saj, oh, them feel like they gotta sleep. A Prince Saj just spread the gospel, you know. Me no care who want vex or who want talk. Ready back again and got a flow in me heart. Anyway me go me carry the Lord in me thought. Me a talk from me heart. Yeah, him fight for me battle yes when me in a conflict. Keep me from jail so me no go turn convict. Touch me little soul so me no go turn bandit. God at the encyclopedia them a pamphlet.
Yeah people, so the artist named Prince Saj. So him been on my Instagram for a while now. Me a follow him and him a follow me also. You see me? But from what you realize say Prince Saj, you know, like him is a man of God now, because I one of the most lyrical artists me ever hear. I still can't hear it in him tune, even though him go gospel right now. So me just still want to give him the support when deserve, because you know what I mean, a talent like this, he just needs some promoting. Because him still a do him thing, you know what I mean? You know some people, them decide say, alright then, them not do the Rurlian song no more, them a go do the gospel, and then them try to change it. But him sound same way people, and you know what I mean, a new age now, so you have a couple gospel artists where I give you the lyrical thing there, and Prince Saj are one of them. So make we hear one more I'm new song them. You see what I say, in a gospel style, lyrical gospel style. Let's hear this.
With Christ every day happy a day in a heaven. Me tell you what that a be a key. From Sunday to Sunday you happy same way. So that's why me a tell you no fi fast and pray. When Christ no fi we can't pay back. And I no fairy tale when you hear that. If you get a little cut what a pain that nail to a cross. So nothing say a game that. Alright let me show you again. Don't just say me bad is a message me a send. Listen open your ears make it blaze up again. A eternal life you no get in at the end. But wait a which eternal you no want. The life of paradise or the other. The one where you burn or the one where you not. But the both of them are go one.